Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I'm here to do the finale of my makeup declutter, package, or try, and I know you're hearing that thump. Just wait till that's over. I gotta love moving. Okay, we'll probably hear that throughout this video. I'm sorry. I have to do the videos when I have the time. I have to do them when I can. That right there is we are moving. My husband is taking down a bunch of boxes. Hold on a minute.
It's true what they say. In a second you get all fade away. Music is what you make it.
This is my finale. This is it. I don't have anything more to declutter when it comes to my makeup. And what we're going to go through, and this is going to be, the container is pretty nasty, so I'm sorry. But this is a tray that I kept in my very top drawer in my Alex drawer. This is what I kept. And this is like my essentials every time I sit down to put makeup. And these were like the essentials, but it has since been cluttered up because as I was clearing off the other drawers, some of the stuff I would just put here to deal with it when I made this video. Anyways, I also have this container, this sort of trunk, mini trunk that has my sort of backups. That has my backups, and I don't remember what I have in there. A little bit. I've been kind of going in there, but I really don't remember everything I have. So some of this stuff I may even declutter from here, even though they're sealed. I don't know. All right, so why don't we get to it? There's going to be in no particular order. I have a trash can down here at my side because we are going to be trashing some stuff. So basically, right in my little container that I kept in my top drawer of my Alex drawer, I have my clean sweep, which by the way I did use today. So I take this off and then I wash it with my sponges. See, so I'm going to leave that out. But I have my clean sweep. This saves me from using too many brushes, like it really has. So when I do like a makeup look, and you're doing one color, you just and then you can dip into another color. So I really like this. I do have a Dove beauty cream that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and I do use it. So I'm going to continue to keep that up here. I'm not going to box it. A cotton round, clean. A bow that I would use to pin my hair back. But I have a lot that I use. I bought these at like Ross, or TJ Maxx, Ross, something like that. I have a bunch of them, these alligator clips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep out 4 of them. I have literally like a whole bunch because sometimes I do pin up here and then here and then here. So I'm just going to keep out 4 of those. I have this lip scrub. I think I got this from Shop Miss A. I'm going to declutter this. This is an extra, let me show you this. The extra cushion to my eyelash curler. So we're going to keep that out. I have a lipstick container. Keep that out and start using that, especially with the bullet lipsticks that can easily come off. I like those for my purse. More cotton rounds. I have my Vaseline. This is getting up there, but we're gonna still keep it out, and then once the mood comes I'm gonna check it because I do use other ones. I have a baby beauty blender which I used, I think it was this one, which I used for the first time not too long ago. I always thought, really, this is an actual beauty blender, and wow, this thing really gets good size and it's perfect for underneath the eyes. So I'm going to keep this out. I'm going to keep that out. Okay, this is from LA Colors. This is the Sugar Lip Scrub at the Dollar Tree, which I think now is like $1.25, but this is good stuff. I recommend it. You scrub your lips and it really is It's abrasive enough to get the dead skin off, but then afterwards it leaves your lips with like a balmy feeling. Really good. I'm gonna get me a backup of this one, but I'm gonna keep that out for sure. Just a couple Q-tips. So that's that. All right, what else do I have in here? Okay, Amuse Eyeshadow Primer. This is the one from Shop Miss A. I love it. They compare this to Painterly, which, yeah, that's pretty compatible. I mean, not exactly, but it's good stuff. And then I have MAC Soft Ochre. I just bought this not too long ago. So this is staying out. I'm not gonna pack that. Pixie, this is the Brightening Peach for Under Eye Corrector. I hit the bottom of the jar there. I did look it up to see if I can find it because it's been years since I had to buy this because I had like 2 to 3 backups. And this is the last of it that I have. I don't have any more backups. At least I don't think. I did look it up to see who sells it in Target and them sell it still. All right, so definitely going to keep that out. This Pure Eye Polish, I'm going to trash. It's one of those cushion shadows. It needs to go. All right, the NYX in Milk, but it's that white one. I use it sometimes, but not really. So I'm gonna leave it out as a trial thing, and if I don't, that's gonna be trashed. I'm not gonna keep that. Sharpeners, 2. I'm gonna keep them. Probably box one of them up and then keep the other one. This is the Salon Perfect. This is for your false lashes. I'm gonna throw this out. It's pretty old. I really rather get a new one. I don't know where this came from. It's like a foam. I don't remember where this came from, but I don't use this. So this is gonna go bye-bye. Tarte Shape Tape. Gonna keep that out for sure. Elf Gel Liner. I'm almost done with this, guys. Look at that. I'm getting down to the wire there. I'm gonna keep that out. I like it. Stila, if you guys seen some of my recent hauls and get ready with me. Stila's XXX, what is this? Magnum mascara. I'm gonna keep that out. Okay, so I have this False Lashes from Essence primer. Is it a primer? No, this is mascara. No, I'm gonna throw it out. It's old. I didn't like it. Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer, my absolute favorite. This is so good. However, I noticed that this does the work, but for some reason, I don't know, something's happening with my lashes. Even this is becoming too heavy. My lashes are very problematic. They like to just go like this and they don't take much of a curl, or they're hard to keep the curl in anything. And this used to work, but I started using this and it just didn't perform. But it's not this, it's my lashes. So good stuff. This is going bye-bye because it's old. Would I repurchase that one? I think I will at some time. Okay, this is sealed. And this is an Avon product. I'll keep it out to try. I can't even read. Hold on, let me get I have my glasses here. Okay, yeah, it's from Avon. It's Glazewear Diamond Eye Color. Oh, okay. We'll try it. We'll see. We'll try and get ready with me. We'll open it up and see what it's all about. So I'm going to keep it out, but I don't know if I'll keep it. All right, so mascara, Tarte, Lights, Camera, Lashes. It was going bye-bye. It's old. All right, we have, okay, before I get into the liners, this is another one, Clinique Fit Workout 24-Hour Mascara. I bought this at TJ Maxx, and I liked it for my bottom lashes. Look at how tiny. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this one out, and then I'm gonna trash it once we move. Okay, and I have all of these Q-tips that I need to throw away because they got dirty with the eyeliners that I have here. So let me throw those away. Okay, I have a spoolie, gonna keep that out. I have this Physicians Formula. This is Canyon Classics, and I use this. I keep this here because I do use this for particularly one shade, and let me show you what that one is here. This one here, I use this when I put my primer, and then I use this to set my primer. And I do occasionally dip into these when I need to. So this is like one of those ones that I like keeping just right up here, and it helps me. All right, this one here is the Maybelline Lash Discovery. I bought this, but I bought it in waterproof. Didn't mean to do that. I like it for the bottom lashes, it's perfect, but I'm going to throw it away because I have that other one, and this one I don't need waterproof, and I only use it for the bottom lashes, so that's going bye-bye. I have a little razor which is going bye-bye because this is an older one. All right, this is a recent purchase, the Revelation. This is the Flick eyeliner, keeping this out, love it. All right, this is the e.l.f., I believe. Yeah, e.l.f., look at how nasty that is. The e.l.f. Concealer, bye-bye. Didn't work for me, and it is older. Another one that's going bye-bye is the Catrice Camouflage. Yeah, I was actually using this for, it didn't work for the concealing part of it, but I was using this for like when I did a cut crease. I would use that to do that with that. But it's old, it's going bye-bye. This one, oh, Laura Geller. This I'm not gonna throw away. I just bought it not too long ago. This is a Correct and Conceal in the color medium. When I first got it, it had like a red one, and then it had a lighter one, and then a darker one, you know, and then I just swirled them. And this is so neat because it's definitely a cream, but once you start rubbing it, it becomes a powder. It becomes a powder. So love it. And I usually use this, believe it or not, to set my under eyes because it does turn into a powder, and it really works really well. So I'm going to keep that. There's some little eyelash thingy. Nope, don't need it. Ulta Matte Eye Primer. Love it. If you guys haven't tried it, I would recommend this. Highly recommend this. I think that to some extent it kind of works like the MAC paint pots. Really good stuff. Really. And I know they have a different type, illuminating one, but I've never tried that one. All right, this is the Shiseido. This is like an under eye cream, and I use this before I apply anything. So I'm gonna keep that. All right, Pixie by Petra. I think this is gonna go bye-bye. I did use it. Broke. Kristen, Nona, I know you guys are laughing. But I did use it. I used this one all up. And these, it's very emollient. Very emollient. So I did try to use it for using it on my lids to give me like clear canvas. It's not meant for that, but I was trying to use it for that. But it was very much a product that will settle. But this one worked out for me good, and I did use that one. Okay, that one's going bye-bye since it's broken too. All right, this one is the NYX Eyebrow Shaper. And it's like a wax, and I did use it. Look at how tiny it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, and then at the move, if I haven't used it all up, I'm going to trash it. But I do like that. NYX, this is the brightener. Again, I did use it, and I can continue to use it. And for some reason, I do like these types of products. I put it, sometimes I highlight just above my brow or frame my lips here. Or I do use this. I do like it. I like this. So I'm going to try it a little bit more. And if I don't reach for it, it's going to be trashed in this round. Okay, this is the NYX. And I believe this is called the Wonder Pencil. Again, look at, I've used it. It was a lot longer. I've used it, and I continue to use it, and I put it right here. Oh, and it just, I don't know, it just really frames my brows. Love it. I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to use it. In fact, I'm going to throw this one away, and we're going to keep and continue using that one. Because realistically, I'm just going to pull for that. I know. Okay, I need to clean this up. We just got like, I think these are just like pencil liners mainly. This one is the It Brow Power Universal Taupe, my absolute favorite. That's not going anywhere. Okay, Milani. This is a liquid liner. This is in brown or mocha or something like that. It's not a pure black. Love this. This is like my 4th container. I used to buy it in black. Now I don't. This is absolutely my favorite liquid liner. My favorite. And it dries quickly and it dries completely matte. So I'm gonna leave it out, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna chuck it because I couldn't get enough product for both. So I'm thinking that's kind of going bye-bye here soon, but it'll definitely be a repurchase. All right, what do we have here? I'm gonna have to put my glasses for this little round because these are very, very tiny little pencils. All right, so we have here the Lancome. This is Lancome, and I don't know, but it's just black. Drama pencil. I don't know. Intense black. I can't never get this to sharpen right, so this is gonna go bye-bye. Oh, I just recently purchased this. This is the Pixie by Petra. It's green. It's a green liner, and I do use this. I do, and I do like this a lot. So that one's staying out. This one is this is the It Superhero No Tug Gel Liner, and I do believe this is in Powerful Plum. Use it. This stuff is amazing, especially if you have older, older lids like me and they have crepiness. This is really, really good, and I do use it quite a bit, and I love this color. It's like a purpley color. And it gets lost in the shuffle. This should have been gone by now, but because it got caught in all this mess, now that I get into my new home and take out my stuff, I really want things better organized. I mean, I had them kind of, but not really. Things still got caught in the shuffle. Okay, here's the same one, only in a black. This is super black. Again, I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. So there's that. This one is, again, oh, here's another one. Oh, this is black brown. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, okay. This one didn't feel as smooth. So we're gonna use it. And if it doesn't, I don't know, maybe it's old. I don't know. I don't even remember having this. Okay, we'll use it, and we'll make decisions before we move it if it's just tugging too much. All right, another Pixie. This one is in black. Right there. Keeping it. I probably don't need so many black. All right, this one is Maybelline, and I think this my daughter had. And this one, oh, this is smooth too, and it has a smudger. This one's staying out too. Okay, that was everything that I have in that drawer, and so now we're going to go into the big old tote. Actually, I'm going to make it a separate video because I just seen that I'm already at 20 some minutes, and with this thing, I don't know what's in there, and I might want to talk about some products, so look out for it. It's going to be titled like backup products that I forgot I had, because that's literally what it is. All right, my friends, that's it. I will talk to you all soon. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in the next final installment of my makeup declutter, packing, and trying. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.
Oh, you make all the noise, baby, but then you don't speak.